Hey everyone, how you doing? Gil here at graymanprepping. What I want to talk to you about today for your prep for today is called plastic canning lids. I'm just checking my list here to make sure I get everything right. So let me grab a couple over here for you. Okay, I got two different types of plastic lids for canning jars. Okay, this is this is like for dry canning or just dry storing, like putting herbs and stuff in there, and you put a plastic lid on it and you can seal it. You can get rubber gaskets if you want to get a better seal than this. The other thing, other type lid, plastic lid for canning jars is one of these. And if you like mixing up flavored water, but you don't like the fact that your water container, let me grab one here, such as this, you don't want it to get tainted with a certain flavor of water, you can use the quart or the half-gallon water jars, put this water canning jars, put this on it, mix it up, and then you just fill up your, you can either drink directly from it, or you can put it into a smaller jar, a pint or quart, whatever, a pint and a half. And get these come both in wide mouth and they come in regular size, and they come with a gasket in it and a spare gasket also. And that way you can just drink whatever you want to drink. And you say, well, it's going to taint this. I got a bunch of these because they were so cheap, and I can write on it. I can write lemonade. I can write watermelon. I can write grape or whatever flavor I'm using that one on. And when I change up, I just rinse those in the dishwasher. It's all rinsed off. And if I change flavors, then I use a different lid. Just food for thought. But these are great also for, say you've done jams and stuff, and you open the jar of jam, and you don't want to put the metal ring on to hold the lid in place. You replace it with this and put it in the fridge. And that way you just open it up, get your jam out, top back on it, and it's good. All right, so before I take off, I'm going to be putting some links up here. I want to tell you about those links. The link to the Camp Patton Family Compound up here. You may want to go over there and check out the indoor garden experiment. I'm going to put a link up here on Grayman Prepping to the Prepping for Beginners playlist and the Prepping in Private, and I'll put a video link down here to a video about sharing prepping with people that know you're prepping but haven't started prepping themselves. And you want them to start prepping. Why?